Greetings, everyone. It gives me great pleasure to dedicate this session to our first pedodontist among the legends of IODCPC, Dr. V. Subba Reddy. Not only for his considerable contributions to pediatric dental health, but for his role in establishing excellence in the diagnosis and management of oral and maxillofacial diseases. Dr. Subbareddy completed his BDS from Osmania University and his MDS in Periodontics from PGIMR Chandigarh, where he was awarded a silver medal. In a career that has spanned decades, he served as principal of the College of Dental Sciences, Davangere, for nearly two, contributed through national roles with the Dental Council of India, ICMR, and the National Board of Examinations, and continues to serve healthcare as Director of Medical Operations at Udayananda Hospitals, Nandyal. From the mid 1980s onward, he played a key role in developing oral pathology, oral medicine, and oral surgery as full fledged departments within a dental institution. At a time when most institutions focused on limited care in these fields, he established systems for diagnosis, surgery, and research, and enabled free care for patients with oral cancer and related diseases. His contribution lies not only in building these systems early, but in anticipating what oral health care would require and influencing that direction beyond his institution. It is in this vision that we recognize Dr. V. Subbareddy as a true legend and welcome you to the session dedicated to him.